Hello, this is a second video on the long division app for iPad. Let's go ahead and go over to the iPad. The app I'm going to be demonstrating today is the long division app, which is right here. I'm going to click that. And now I'm in the app, and in this second video I'm going to demonstrate the remainders feature. So here I'm going to take 4 into 17, and that's going to go in 4 times. When I subtract, I get 1. So this does not come out even. I take this 1 and I drag it up here, and that is my remainder. The answer is 4, remainder 1. Now I'm going to click this dumbbell in the upper right hand corner and do a practice problem. I think I'll do the first one. 11 does not go into 10. If I try, it just jumps back. 11 goes into 105 9 times. Subtract, bring down. 11 into 65 should go 5 times. The remainder 10, bring down the 3. 11 into 103 goes 9 times. And then I get a remainder of 4. I drag that up here and I make that part of my answer. The answer is 959, remainder 4. Now I'm going to show the decimal feature. This is another way to handle problems that don't come out even. So I'm going to take 4 into 10. That's going to go twice. 2 times 4 is 8. And I subtract. So rather than having 2 remainder 2, I'm going to put a decimal point, and I can put zeros after the decimal point. I'm going to bring down the 0. I'm going to take 4 into 20. 4 into 20 goes 5 times. I'm going to subtract. And this time we got a decimal answer of 2.5, which is 2 5/10. If we're using remainders, it would be 2 remainder 2. Finally, the last feature I'd like you to see here in the demo is the decimal to divisor feature. I encourage you to do the repeating decimals on your own. Here we have a divisor on the outside. The divisor's out here that is a decimal. I need to move that decimal point to the right until it becomes a whole number. If I move it on the outside, which is the divisor, I also need to move it on the inside, which is the dividend. This is equivalent to multiplying by 10 over 10. So I can go ahead and carry out the division. Bring down. 5 into 35 goes 7 times. And I get an answer of 17. Let's go ahead and do the second practice problem. It would be incorrect to move the decimal point to the left. I want to move it to the right. I only need to move it one place in order to make this divisor out here a whole number. So now I'll go ahead and carry out the division. 18 into 32 goes once. Bring down. 18 into 146 goes 8 times. 8 times 18 is 144, giving me 2. I bring these numbers down. 18 into 23 is going to go 1 time. And finally bring down the 4. I think this one is going to come out even. Goes in there 3 times. And I get an answer of 18 and 13/100ths. Notice the decimal point in the answer. The app automatically puts the decimal point up there for you. However, when you're doing this by hand, you want to make sure that you move the decimal point from this position straight up. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you can use the long division app on the iPad to learn about long division. Have a great day.